Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling common errors on the Hikvision DS-KH2220 Intercom system. These intercoms are great, but sometimes issues pop up. We'll guide you through troubleshooting some frequent problems and offer solutions. Let's get started. First, check the power. Is the intercom properly connected to a power source? Is the power adapter working? Sometimes a simple power cycle fixes many problems. Unplug the intercom, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. See if the error clears. Second, network connectivity is key. This intercom needs a stable internet connection to function correctly. Verify the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the intercom and your router or switch. Check your router to ensure the intercom's IP address is correctly assigned and hasn't conflicted with another device. You can usually access your router's settings through a web browser by typing in its IP address. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure the intercom is connected to the correct network and the password is correct. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause intermittent errors. Third, incorrect settings can be a problem. Access the intercom's configuration via the web interface using a computer. You'll need the intercom's IP address and password. If you've forgotten the password, you might need to reset the device to factory settings. Look for the reset button on the intercom. Consult the Hikvision manual for the exact reset procedure, as it varies depending on the model. Once logged in, review network settings, date and time settings, and any user configurations. Incorrect settings can lead to various error messages. Fourth, firmware updates are important. Outdated firmware can cause bugs and compatibility issues. Check the Hikvision website for the latest firmware version for your DS-KH2220. Download the firmware and follow the instructions in the Hikvision manual to update the intercom. Be careful during the firmware update process, interrupting it can break your device. Fifth, hardware issues are possible. While less common, hardware problems can cause persistent errors. Inspect the cables, connectors, and the intercom itself for any signs of physical damage. If you suspect a hardware issue, contact a qualified technician for repair or replacement. Finally, consider the environment. Extreme temperatures or humidity can affect the intercom's performance. Ensure the intercom is installed in a suitable location, protected from direct sunlight and rain. If all else fails, contact Hikvision support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. Remember to document any error messages you see and the steps you've already taken. This will help them diagnose the problem more efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you fix errors on your Hikvision DS-KH2220 Intercom. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to leave comments below with your own troubleshooting tips or any questions you have.